Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Chidinma Onyeagba and I'm so excited that you are here. If you're interested in skincare, beauty and lifestyle content that feels real, relatable and beginner friendly, then you are definitely in the right place. Before I even started this channel, I used to struggle with skincare myself. I know how overwhelming it feels. So many products, so much advice, and sometimes you don't even know where to start. That is why I decided to create this space so I can share what I've learned, keep it simple, and help you feel comfortable in your own skin. On this channel, you will find skincare routine for beginners, tips for choosing the right product for your skin type, affordable recommendations, and even a little bit of beauty and lifestyle. My goal is to make sure you have easy, practical advice you can actually use in your daily life. I want this to be more than just a YouTube channel. I want it to be a community where we can learn, grow, and glow together. Whether you are dealing with acne like myself, dryness, or just want to keep your skin healthy, I'll be sharing tips and routines that really works without making things complicated. So if skincare, beauty, and lifestyle sounds like what you would love, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of my new videos. And while you are here, drop a comment below and let me know what beauty and skincare struggles you are currently facing. I would love to create a content that helps you directly. Thank you so much for watching my very first video. I'm super excited about this journey and can't wait to share more with you. Until next time, take care and keep glowing. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.